Today we are going to bring to life a super adorable character full of enchantment. Envy, the most passionate, curious, and chaotic girl from Inside Out 2. In addition, you will discover how to create a luminous pom-pom, an object that represents her inner world that is constantly changing. Are you ready to get into this creative adventure? The first thing we need is our base. This doll has great potential to become Envy. Don't you think so? When the doll finally arrived, I realized that I couldn't use her hair to make Envy, so I'll have to figure out how I'm going to make it from scratch. But well, let's leave that challenge for later. Now comes the fun part, making NVIDIA's outfit. To make the patterns, I used Studio, a tool that has saved my life on more than one occasion. It's a magical tool that allows me to turn my doodles into amazing designs. With just a few clicks, I had the perfect pattern. If you want to make your own designs too, I highly recommend you check it out. By the way, you will find the link to this template in the video description so you too can make your own Envy. All you have to do is download the template in PDF format and then print it in DIN A4 size.
Stay with me until tomorrow. Could you be the one to kill my sorrows? Maybe one night you can play the hero, even if I know it's only for show. You're no good for me, we're so bittersweet, but I still want you, I do. Baby, can't you see what you do to me? I just can't resist you. You got me drunk in love, I can't sleep. I need to sober up from this dream, but I can't deny, I can't deny you. I can't deny, I can't deny you. You got me drunk in love, I can't sleep. I need to sober up from this dream, but I can't deny, I can't deny you. I can't deny, I can't deny you.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on trying till it pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the roads that never end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
It was time to tackle the hair challenge.
All the memories just lingers on repeat.
First, I had to find the perfect hair color. After scouring a million stores and almost getting lost along the way, I finally found the perfect shades. In the end, I decided on this super soft and fluffy turquoise yarn. With it, I think I'll be able to give NVIDIA that wild and rebellious look she's so famous for.
Just one glass in, you're already on my mind. When it gets late, I always realize that I need you. Are you thinking about me too tonight? It's no secret, all my friends already know. There's no reason to hold it back, I let it show. All my feelings, are you thinking about me too tonight? Your hands around my waist, just let the music play. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. Sweeter than summer wine, baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. And that makes me say, oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Paradise. I'm taking a mental picture in my mind just to keep this moment till the end of time. 'Cause I know that it might be over after tonight. So before I change my mind, your hands around my waist, just let the music play. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. Sweeter than summer wine, baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. And that makes me say, oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Paradise. Bittersweet, give it to me. If it's only for tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me. If it's only for tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me. If it's only for tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Paradise. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind.
To highlight NVIDIA's beauty, let's add a kawaii eyeliner. Her adorable light blue freckles and a little bit of blush to give a touch of innocence to those cute dimples. So she'll be ready to conquer any heart.
For tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me. If it's only for tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me. If it's only for tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me. you're doing is making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. 'Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. When you're moving, I can hear my calling. No one else here that I see.
This magic pom-pom changes color according to Envy's mood. It's like an emotional mood ring. Actually, the pom-pom represents the intensely thought spheres. It's a fun way to talk about our emotions. We all feel envious at one time or another. But just like envy, we can learn to manage this emotion and turn it into something positive. And so, we've created our very own envy, a doll full of charm and admiration. Don't forget to share your creations with me and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.